always remember phase, okay, phase equilibrium, okay. So there must be, first you have to remember that is what is homogeneous, what is homogeneous solution, and what is second one, what is heterogeneous solution. So always remember homogeneous, that means the phases are same. Same means you have to দেখো প্রথমে বোঝো solution that should be made by one is solute, other is solvent. Solvent means in which the solute that should be added, যেখানে তোমার solute add হবে সেটাকে আমরা বলবো solvent, and যা add হবে, যেটা add হবে সেটাকে আমরা বলবো solute, right? তো both are solution, but when the solute and solvent have similar phase, that means they are having same phase. Suppose both are solid and solid, না এটা না, same phase আমি কি বলবো, suppose as for example there must be a water is there, this is a water is there, you have to input sugar, so after a so many stir that should be dissolved in it, and there must be, we never see sugar quantity, unseparable part, mechanically separable part of component, three component solution, more than two component solution, একাধিক কম্পোনেন্ট দিয়ে তুমি একটা সলিউশন তৈরি করবে, সেই সলিউশনে তোমার আলটিমেটলি কি হবে, মেকানিক্যালি ডিস্ট্রিক্ট, মানে সেটা তুমি মিনস unseparable one component, obviously there should be a solution of the component to when only one solute is there, only solvent is, মানে আমি ভালো করে বোঝো, যখন আমার একটা সলিউট একটা সলভেন্ট থাকবে একটা বলতে, so this is not so important that is this the solution which are made, that is mechanically separable or not. If not separable, so that is called homogeneous, if separable, that is called heterogeneous. Clear? So always remember homogeneous solution, that means phase will be same, and heterogeneous, that is phase will be different. Okay, always remember, there must be always remember for homogeneous solution, okay. So as for example, suppose that is water plus sugar, so that means what, that must be made homogeneous solution, because when that should be, you have to do as a stir, তুমি যখন stir করবে ওয়াটারে, দেখবে স্টার করার পর সুগারটাকে তুমি আলাদা করতে পারবে না, সুগার আর ওয়াটারটা কমপ্লিটলি মিসিবল হয়ে যাবে, দুটো আলাদা ফেজ তৈরি হবে না। when the two phases are not produced, there must be completely miscible, sugar completely dissolved in the water, make a one single phase, so that is called homogeneous. There must be still two components are there, but that should be mixed up in such a way that becomes the one solution. The two components never to be separable as a mechanical way, that is called homogeneous, okay. But heterogeneous, suppose you have to add water, there is there, and you have to add, that is pebbles. Pebbles means pathor, so pebbles always be separable by mechanical pathway. Pebbles can be separable from water, always from mechanical way, okay, from mechanical way. Clear? বোঝা গেল? Now always consider component system, that is the component minus, or components can be there, components that should be considered, but there must be some free cations or anions are there, free cations and anions are there, okay. Second one, if there must be equilibrium is there. Third one, if there is any any type of condition should be fixed, suppose patient constant, so we have to consider C minus. গুলো হবে এরকম হবে। আর লাস্ট ওয়ান অলওয়েজ রিমেম্বার, তাহলে আমরা এখান থেকে কম্পোনেন্ট পাবো, এখান থেকে আমরা ফেজ পাবো, দ্যাট ইজ equilibrium degrees of freedom. F is the degrees of freedom. Okay, this is the degree. এটা একটা সহজ ট্রিক ফর, স্পেশালি ফর ট্রিপল পয়েন্ট। অলওয়েজ রিমেম্বার ট্রিপল পয়েন্ট, যখনই ট্রিপল পয়েন্ট হবে there must be degrees of freedom that should be 0. Okay, when that is a curve, the degrees of freedom that should be 1. When this is a area, that should be degrees of freedom that should be 2. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay.